Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GitHub versus CodeClone. We'll explore the distinct functionalities each offers for managing and obtaining your project's code. You'll gain a clear understanding of when to leverage GitHub's robust platform features and when the direct git clone command is your best option. By the end, you'll be equipped to integrate both seamlessly into your development workflow, enhancing your productivity and project management. GitHub serves as a powerful, centralized hub for version control and collaborative development. Beyond just hosting your code, it offers an extensive suite of tools. Think of features like pull requests for code review, detailed issue tracking for bug management, and project boards for agile planning. You can even download a repository as a zip file directly from the website, offering a quick way to get the code without needing Git installed locally. The git clone command is the cornerstone of distributed version control. When you execute git clone, you're not just getting the latest files, you're downloading a complete replica of the remote repository. This includes every single commit, all branches, and every tag, allowing you to work entirely offline. It's essential for developers who need to contribute changes, create new branches, and maintain a full, version-controlled local copy of their projects. Deciding which method to use depends on your immediate needs. For a quick overview, managing issues, or downloading a snapshot, GitHub's web interface is ideal. However, for active development, making contributions, or managing your local version history, git clone is indispensable. The most effective approach is to integrate both. Use GitHub for its powerful collaboration and project management features, and rely on git clone for the deep, hands-on coding work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.